Our lecture about ECG, electrocardiogram. Before taking ECG, we have to study the electricity of the heart. How does electricity pass through the heart? If we imagine this is the right and left atrium, and this is the ventricle. So, what's happened? We have here SA node and AV node and bundle of S, right and left bundles. SA node is the pacemaker of the heart. It sends electricity to the post atrium. But the electricity when passed from the atrium to the ventricle, it have only one way, through AV node. Then the electricity passes to the bundle of His and divide to right and left bundles. Make the heart to contract. If we imagine the heart inside the chest and I need to see it from different views, what can I do? I can get electrode negative here and electrode positive here and can get this vector called lead 1. Lead 1 can see the heart from this side to side view, this section, and negative, positive, making lead 2. I can see the heart from this view, and this is negative, positive, can see the heart from this lead 3. I have now 3 leads, can see the heart. So ECG have now 3 leads, lead 1, 2, 3. What else I can get if I imagine this is a negative center of the heart and this is another leads AV are augmented voltage on the right and this is AVL augmented voltage on the left and this is AVF augmented voltage of the inferior. So I have now 6 angles, 6 cameras see the heart. AVR, the net result between lead 1 and lead 2, AVL between lead 1 and lead 3, AVF between lead 2 and lead 3. So if I want to see the inferior part of the heart, I can look at the lead 2, 3, AVF. I want to see the high lateral part of the heart, I can see lead 1 AVL. Okay, so this is called limb leads, whatever it is, unipolar or bipolar. Bipolar means you have here 2 electrodes. Unipolar is a net result between them. Unipolar lead 1, 2, 3, bipolar lead AVR, AVL, AVF. All called limb leads because I put the electrodes on the limbs. Okay. So what else? There's another camera see the heart from a special view. This view can scan the heart from side to side like this. Okay. I want to get a camera, special camera, to get a picture of the heart model from this view. So if there is any lesion in any area of the heart, I can see easily. That's so perfect. How does this happen? If I imagine the center of the heart is negative and the chest leads outer is positive, the current will pass from negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to positive, and can scan the heart from this view. That is perfect. So we can call this positive electrodes as it from its side. We can call it V1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. V1 and V2 can get a picture for the heart from the septum. V3 and and 4 can get strict anterior part of the heart, and V5, V6 can get the lateral part of the heart. So now we have 12 leads: chest and limb. Limb unipolar, bipolar. Bipolar lead 1, 2, 3. Unipolar EVR, EVL, EVF. Chest lead from V1 to V6. So I can see the heart from 12 camera to see all the part of the heart. Any lesion can be detected so easily. Just I have to determine the site of the lesion and know where I am. So let's make a table to know it more simple. This is the leads: lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, AVR, AVL, AVF. And this is just lead V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. So if I want to see inferior part of the heart, I look at lead 2, 3, EVF, lead 2, 3, EVF. This is inferior part of the heart. If I want to look at the high lateral part of the heart, I lead to lead 1 and AVL. Lead 1 and AVL. This is high lateral part of the heart. If I want to see septal of the heart, septal bar, I look at V1 and 2. If I want to see strict anterior part, I lead 3, V3, 4. Low lateral part of the heart, V5, V6. That's perfect. So this lead is lead 2. Why lead 2? You know that electricity passes from this vector. This is the net result of the electrical activity pass here like this. So which lead come with this? This is lead 2. Lead 2. Okay. So in lead 2 you can see the electrical impulse is very perfect to detect. To detect what? To detect three main things. To detect AV pop, to detect any arrhythmia, to detect atrial enlargement. Okay. This is the electrical activity, and this is the graph of ECG where to look. We have this leads. This is the first session has been ended.
The ECG device consists of the control bar and wires. Two types of wires: limb and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every part of this go to the limbs. And chest, 6 chest leads go to the chest. And we have a control with automatic or manual. If you use automatic, it will get automatically views of the leads, limb or chest. If you use manual, you can get every lead separately. device, make this electrode negative and this is negative, and this is positive, and the current comes this way and get a picture of the heart making lead 1. This is negative, this is positive, and get the picture of the heart from this view and get you lead 2. Like lead 3, and the net result of every 2 leads give the AVR, AVL, AVF. So all of this bring to us a wave. We have to recognize the wave got in the graph.